Happy Valentine's Day, guys! Happy Valentine's! Yes, it's the last day of the Valentine's Week special and I hope you're ready to celebrate or have a drink or two, whatever you decide. But it's the last day and I have a special one for you today. Okay guys, so if you've been following me and watch my videos, even if you're not subscribers, but you watch some of my videos and you watch the fellow YouTubers, because there are many lovely people out there who creating amazing yummy drinks, you should know by now that recently, kind of in December, everything kick off with challenges, and it's not competition but challenges. Everything starts with Rob from Rob's Home Bar and Vino from 60 Seconds Cocktails. From January, Dave from Booze on the Rocks joined them with the challenge Spice on the Rocks, and this month they decide to do a new challenge, which is Love Potion 2021. So Love Potion 2021, this is also the hashtag for the challenge, so if you want to join on Instagram or here on YouTube or whatever you decide, just make sure you put this hashtag and join us for a challenge. So the challenge is to have fun. It's not competition, but it's just to get everybody together and kind of have a little bit, you know, a fun, a play, and create something different. So this particular month, because it's St. Valentine, the challenge brief is this. So the cocktail supposed to be red, the garnish needs to be a chocolate, obviously use the hashtag Love Potion 2021, and I decide what a better way but to drop my challenge cocktail today. And I'm not doing any cocktail from books or anything. I am basically creating a cocktail on the spot for you right now. And we're gonna call it Love Potion. Simple as that, to dedicate to my fellow bartenders Vino, Rob and David. Okay? So for the cocktail, you're gonna need your shaker and you're gonna need a muddler. Muddler? Yeah, you will need. You're gonna need some red grapes. Now, in the best situation, if it's a big good grape, I'll say take around 6 grapes or 8. Let's put 8 grapes. So remember, I am creating this on the spot. Okay? So please turn up good. It should be. Come on. So muddle your grapes. You gotta break them good to release the juice. Now, if you don't want to make all this gymnastic and all this effort, you can easily buy a good grape juice from the shop, but trust me, using a fresh fruit it's totally different, because it's gonna give a totally different flavor to the cocktail than commercially juiced and things like that with added sugar and so on and so forth. Right, there you go. I'm done with the muddling. Beautiful. Now the cocktail requires, or I decide to require, 30 ml of cognac. So this is your base spirit, 30 ml of cognac. We have the grapes and the cognac. Obviously it's made from grapes, so it's gonna work very well. But then I wanna move to the flowery side and make it even more red, because that's one of the brief in the challenge. So I'm gonna use Cherry Heering 200, one of the best cherry liqueurs. So we're gonna use 15 ml of the Cherry Heering. This is pretty much very dark, so I'm hoping I'm not gonna go too dark here in the red, but hey, we'll see. Then I want to introduce a little bit more of cherry flavor, but this time from the Luxardo cherry. So I will do just 10 ml of the Luxardo cherry. Beautiful. Just so you know, this is quite not strong, but it's boozy orientated cocktail. Final 2 ingredients, guys. It's just a little bit of a mixer. Now, if you know me, I like boozy cocktails, I like spirit orientated cocktails, I like drinks which I can feel the flavors and I don't have too much mixer to like wash away the flavors from all the spirits. But you need a little bit, just a touch, so you kind of smooth down. We already have the grape juice, which I muddled in the beginning. But what we need here is, I'm gonna drop a 10 ml of cranberry juice just to introduce a little bit of tartness to the cocktail, and 10 ml of pink grapefruit juice, just to bring a little bit of bitterness to the cocktail and to make it a little bit lighter. But not in the taste, not in the feel, lighter in a color, okay? And I'm gonna grab some ice, and I need the other half of the shaker to give it a good shake. Okay, there you go. Now here is the fun part. We've done all this, I'm gonna leave it on the side, and I'm gonna serve a Nick Nora glass. But bear with me because I need something special here. There you go. So, sherry, Pedro Ximenez. If you know Pedro Ximenez Sherry, it's aged to 30 years. So it's very sweet, it's usually served as dessert. And it's very rich in flavor on raisins and plums, and it's unbelievably sweet. So, what you need to do, you need to drop a little bit in your glass, around probably 5 ml. That's all it is. And you need to coat your glass, okay? So coat your glass. And of course, the rest of it, what it's left, it needs to disappear. So get a small shot glass and make sure you don't have anything left in the glass except the coated glass with the sherry. And now grab your strainer and serve your cocktail. Simple as that. And there you go. Now, Vino, Rob and David, I'm so sorry, it's not exactly the red color, but I guess because it's a challenge, it's not a competition, you let me go with that. However, there's one more requirement here for this cocktail, and this is it. It needs to be garnished with chocolate. So it's this lovely chocolate here, and it's not just the chocolate, but inside it's filled up with a liqueur. So here we go. This is my love potion, specially created for the challenge Love Potion 2021. Cheers. Let's try now. Let's put this away. And that, ladies and gentlemen, it's a winner. Not in the challenge, but as a creation. First on the nose, it's coming the Oloroso Sherry with this strong flavor of plum and raisins. And when you try, it's the wonderful mixture of the warm cognac with the lovely strong flavor of the cherry Heering, Luxardo cherry. Oh, and you have the Oloroso sherries coming on the back end. It's just unbelievable. So guys, if you like it, give me a thumbs up, like this video, because I love to do these challenges and I love to create something new, especially for them. And as always, if you're new to the channel, if you just pop in and you just stay until now, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, leave me a comment, and of course, as always, stay safe, enjoy what you're doing, have a wonderful St. Valentine's Day, and I'll see you next week with another video. Until then, I love you and I leave you. Bye bye.